The Bluetooth door lock set offers keyless entry with multiple unlocking options, including a mechanical key, password, and app control, making it versatile and secure. With its convenient auto lock feature, you can set a timer between 10 seconds and 30 minutes, ensuring your door is never unintentionally left unlocked. The app control allows for easy management of access codes and users and can be used indefinitely without additional charges, providing flexibility for various user needs. An anti-peeping password feature enhances security by allowing users to enter random digits before or after the correct passcode, protecting against prying eyes. The installation process is straightforward, fitting most standard doors in the United States, and can be completed in just a few minutes without the need for drilling. With a long battery life supported by 4 AA batteries, the lock can operate for up to 180 days, minimizing the need for frequent battery changes.